Okay, I don't know where I am, but I'm on my way to Ouray. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I know it's got hot springs and some nice riding. According to the guys at the motorcycle shop, Ouray, it's my first stop in the mountainous area of Colorado, so I'm looking forward to that. Yesterday's camping was a nightmare. I was given wrong instructions by several people and ended up, well, camping in a place where I told myself I'd never camp at. So, there you go. But it worked out okay. I got some good deals. Here's a guy with no helmet on. Can't believe they do that in Colorado too, and Utah. That is just amazing. So anyway, there's this tractor show. I'm going to go check out some tractors before I go. So I just had lunch. Alright, I got to do this inconspicuously, but check this guy out. The dude abides. It's the dude, I want to yell out, dude, and see him turn around. But I won't. I'm telling you, it is the dude, isn't it? Amazing. In Colorado, they're just a little bit funkier than Utah. We're in the town of Delta on the way to Ouray. That's how you pronounce it. And this is a tractor pull, antique tractor pull contest.
And rebuilds them, and there's the finished product. He does a real nice job. He's got some John Deere's and an International I know of in this case. He does real nice work. John Small from Palisade, 1954 model 500 Case diesel. Case was in the tractor business a long time before John Deere was. Case used to build steam tractors.
Alright, I'm in Delta. I crossed the road from the tractor pull over there. And now there's this other thing happening. This is a local dude right here on his fantastic BMX bike. Mountain bike. Mountain bike. It looks kind of small, but okay. I don't know. But, I'm from Oakland, and you're from?
Well, I'm from California.
Oh, okay, but you live here?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and so you just told me that this started in 1920-something. It's a local event where they have a Cowboys and Indians sort of replica of making peace. Because there's a tree around here that...
The Youth Council
The
tree.
Youth Council tree is...
1890.
And since then, they've done this annual event around here, which is like a volleyball in the mud. From the 20s, they were rolling around the mud, playing volleyball, is that right?
Well, I don't think it was mud volleyball, more like mud wrestling.
Really? Okay. Yeah, messy. More skin action.
Yeah. Coaching baseball. Coaching
Holy smokes, look at that. I didn't know it was going to be this good. Snow on the mountain. Water sports. I think I just bought a day pass. I dumped in the dump station at one of those state parks like that. I think my sticky is good for all day today and tomorrow. Yeah, maybe I'll get a fishing license over at the sporting goods store if I could find one. All the campgrounds are full, so I'm going to do some exploration on dispersed camping and see what I come up with.